Have you ever given your best and still felt like you were invisible? Like no matter how much love, time, or effort you gave, people acted as if you didn't matter. One quiet evening, under a faded orange sunset, a young man stood alone on an empty street. His heart felt heavy, as if something precious inside him was slowly breaking. And what happened next would change the way he looked at himself forever. His name was Armand, a simple boy with gentle eyes and a quiet smile. He worked at a small printing shop in the city. He wasn't the fastest or the loudest, but he was sincere. He worked late, helped others, and never complained. But there was one problem. No one noticed. His boss replaced him in meetings. His coworkers used his ideas but took the credit. Even his friends only called him when they needed help. Armand kept telling himself, maybe this is how life is. Maybe my worth is not that high. But deep inside, it hurt. Every night, he walked home alone thinking, why does everyone treat me like I'm replaceable? One night, something strange happened. Something that felt like destiny preparing a lesson. Because soon, Armand would meet someone who would show him what true worth means. It was raining. Soft rain like tiny whispers on old streets. Armand entered a small tea shop to stay dry. The shop was quiet, except for an old man sitting near a candle, reading. The old man looked at Armand's tired face and smiled gently. You look heavy, not in body, but in heart. Armand didn't know why, but his eyes suddenly filled with tears. The old man poured tea for him, warm, fragrant, peaceful. After a moment, the old man placed a small stone on the table. It looked ordinary, gray, rough, dull. He said, take this stone to the market tomorrow and ask what people will give for it, but no matter what they offer, do not sell it. Armand was confused, but the man's voice felt like truth. The next day, Armand took the stone to a fruit seller. The seller laughed. He said, I can give you maybe 10 rupees. It's just a stone. Armand left quietly. He went to a hardware store. They said, stone? Maybe 30 rupees? Then he went to a jewelry store. The jeweler's eyes widened. He studied the stone, his hands trembling. He said, where did you find this? This is a raw gem, rare, precious. I can give you 50,000 rupees, even more. Armand was shocked. He hurried back to the tea shop. The old man was still there, as if he never moved. Armand told him everything. The old man smiled, but his next words hit like lightning. Remember this, child. The stone never changed. Only the eyes looking at it changed. What people see in you does not define your worth. At that moment, the candle flickered as if agreeing with the truth. A deep silence filled the room, and Armand felt something shift inside him. That night, Armand walked home slowly. Rain had ended. The streets smelled fresh. A soft wind touched his face, like a hand wiping his sadness away. He whispered to himself, my value doesn't decrease because someone can't see it. He thought about all the times he stayed quiet, allowing others to take advantage. Not because he was weak, but because he didn't know his worth. Days passed. Armand changed, not suddenly, but softly, like sunrise. He started speaking up. He shared new ideas openly. He stood by his work. He respected his time. Some people didn't like it. Some tried to replace him. But Armand remembered the stone. He smiled gently and thought, if someone can replace me that easily, they never saw my value. One day, his boss realized Armand's absence in work created a gap no one could fill. The shop lost customers. Quality dropped. No one understood printing like Armand. They asked him to return, but Armand looked at the same streets, the same doors, the same people, and felt a new confidence rising inside him. He thanked them, but he didn't go back. He opened his own small printing studio, simple, peaceful, with a warm lamp and fresh tea every morning. Customers began to love his work because he worked with heart. He didn't realize then, but this small shop would become one of the most loved in the city. One evening, while closing his shop, Armand looked at the empty street where his journey began and whispered, I was never replaceable. I just didn't know my worth. A gentle truth rose inside him. Others can't value you until you learn to value yourself. Your worth does not change based on how others treat you. Remember this simple line: a gem in the hands of a child is still a gem. And another, when you know your worth, you stop giving discounts. Take things slowly. Speak kindly. Hold your value close. Your existence is not an accident. You matter. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs a reminder of their worth. Stay close. We walk this journey together.